It takes a lot of patience being an irrigation technician. You show up to a person's house to do a full inspection of their property, and you never know what you're going to find. And of course, the customer is going to want you to fix whatever it is you find right there on the spot. So you got to be prepared to do anything from replace a nozzle to replacing a pump or fixing a broken pipe, which is what I'm about to be doing. So you got to be able to handle the chit chat with the customer, the walking around the property looking for the broken stuff, and then immediately making the repair. Well, I've got a choice to make, and I felt like more water was coming out of that side, so we'll dig right about there, see if we get lucky. I really don't want to dig a huge hole in this guy's yard because, I mean, look at how nice his yard is. So let's go ahead and start right about there and see if we get lucky. All right, so we found the problem, and there's the nipple that attaches to this Falcon rotor. And the problem is the 90 snapped right there.